ND error code on Amana washer NFW7200TW, checked for obstructions and replaced pump. Upon restart of cycle everything works. When time to drain the pump starts the quits after a gallon or so of water. If I stop the cycle and restart, then it will continue to drain and work properly until the 9 minutes mark, the second drain time. Is there a sensor, timing or water level, that would trigger this behavior? Hoping not the control board. Thanks for your help, Matt.
Thank you for your question. The ND error indicates no drain and is usually a drain pump problem. Excess suds can cause this error as well. Try running the washer through a rinse cycle without a load or soap. I advise cleaning out the pump filter and verify there are no drain hose clogs.
I have run multiple rinse cycles and use my shop vac to drain. There is no filter on this model, or I cannot locate it. I can find no clogs in the hose, pump, hose to the tub base or bottom of the tub liner. I have replaced the pump already. Is there something else I can check?
Check the pressure switch hose between the pressure switch under the top and where it connects to the bottom of the tub for any restrictions. If there are not restrictions in the pressure switch air hose, then it may have an intermittent contact sticking inside the pressure switch.
Okay, the hose to the pressure switch is not restricted. Is there a way to check the switch? Check the voltage or put it into diagnostics mode? Relist, other. Still waiting for answer.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is XXXXXXXXXX. I look forward to helping you. The pages below will show you how to initiate the service mode and run a quick service cycle. The issue is with the control not seeing the water level dropping as it should when draining. As Jamie suggested, remove the hose from the pressure switch and blow through it. If it is clear, the pressure switch is likely faulty. That switch is in the RR corner of the machine once the top is removed. Kelly 41696.607642963.
Thank you for the help. The quick service cycle does not complete. It will successfully through steps 1 to 5, then get stuck on step 6, drain and spin to max. If I press the spin speed button to advance to the next cycle, it will display PA passed. At the start of step 6 I hear 2 clicks, then nothing. Should I replace the pressure switch or do you think it is the controller?
Is the water draining and was that tube clear?
Washer is not draining now, but the tube is clear. I'm pretty sure it's the control board at this point. The pump now acts like it's not getting power, but still hear the 2 light clicks of an actuator. What are your thoughts?
The clicking is likely the relay, so I agree that the board will need to be replaced. It is available below. Please let me know if you have additional questions or need clarification. There is no additional charge for any follow-up help. If you have any other questions, please let me know. You may continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need, even after rating my service. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.